Number 5. How much high should 2 kg mass be lifted from the ground if it is thrown upward at a speed of 50 meters per second? So we have 2 points here, point A and point B. Initially, object A was in this point and it was thrown at 50 meters per second to point B, and the mass of an object is 2 kg. And we are asked to find the final height of an object which is thrown at 50 meters per second. So, in order to solve this problem, we are going to use conservation of energy at point A and point B. Since conservation of energy says the summation of potential and kinetic energy at any point becomes equal. So, mechanical energy at point A equal to mechanical energy at point B. So, since mechanical energy is summation of two energy, mechanical energy equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy at point A equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy at point B. So, since potential energy of an object is due to its position, so it always depends on the height of an object, position of an object. We have assumed this point as a ground. So, since height of this point is 0, the potential energy of an object at this point is also 0. So, kinetic energy is not 0 at this point since it has an initial speed of 50 meters per second. So, by applying this, potential energy 0, kinetic energy equal to 1 over 2 mv square, and potential energy at point B becomes maximum since this is the highest point an object is thrown from initial position to the highest position. So, potential energy at this point becomes mgh, and kinetic energy at this point becomes 0 since an object is going to reach at its maximum point of displacement at this point. So, in order to solve this problem, we have to cancel. We can cancel mass from both sides. So, we are going to cancel the mass here and the mass here. Both can be cancelled. So, we are left with 1 over 2 v square. We are v square going to use v square. 1 over 2 v square equal to the potential energy of a system. So, this equal to gh. So, from this, the height h equal to 2g, 2 times g divided by v square. We are going to divide it by v square. So, h equal to 2 multiplied by gravity is 10 and divided by v square. V is given as 50 meters per second. Yeah, it's 50 meters per second. 50. So the final answer becomes, oh sorry guys, here I have written the inverse. H equal to v square over 2g. G square divided by 2g minus 2g is equal to v square is 50 square, 50 square divided by 2g. 2 times gravity is 2 times 10. The final answer becomes 11.25 meters.